What's the meaning of calm? Calm. Calm.
Calm. Calm. Calm is a state of being free from disturbance, agitation, or anxiety. It is characterized by a sense of tranquility and peace, where one's emotions are under control, and there is a feeling of serenity. Achieving a calm state can bring about a range of benefits, including reduced stress levels, improved focus and concentration, better decision-making skills, and an overall sense of well-being. Being calm allows us to approach situations with a clear and rational mindset, rather than being overwhelmed by our emotions. Overall, cultivating a sense of calm can lead to a more fulfilling and peaceful life.